What'd you say about bottles?
There's a bottle over there. You see that
I don't
shit?
fight. I don't argue. I just hit that bitch with a bottle. Is that a freaking mermaid fin? That's weird.
Dinosaur.
Oh my god, do you see that? I'm so getting on. I want to sit on the nose. Can you like let me try? I'm gonna take my shoes off because this could be bad. Watch my skirt, man. I don't want anyone to see my goodies. Candace, where you at? Oh, I don't know if I can do that.
If I can do it pregnant, you can do it.
You're not getting up there pregnant. Go from down the slide. Didn't I just tell you?
Okay, go see your shirt, Megan.
I'm gonna have to hold my skirt because it's... Come on, go away.
I didn't get anything but your shirt, Megan.
Where are my shoes? Fuck shoes.
I don't like you. I like shoes.
You don't like me?
I like
Guess I'll punch you when you're not pregnant.
Yeah.
I just got a plan. Come on.
Aw, man. We'll hike it up in this bitch.
Am I missing something? Nope. I need I got one. Fucking sweet. You don't even know. Do they really play baseball here?
Dirty.
Dirty? What does that mean?
Dirt.
Low, caution.
Walking down these stairs.
Let's run. I have a cramp, but I just don't care because I'm excited about my idea. I forgot you had a baby. Sorry. Okay.
What are we
Where
doing?
can I do it? I just have a perfect plan. You wait there. Ew, I just got dirt all over my feet. Dude, this is gonna be freaking great. Please don't get that camera because they're getting bored probably, if anyone wants to watch this. Just don't let them see my goodies.
You see this? Heart.
Oh my god, I have to do so many S's right now. How do we do the same amount? 2, 3, 4.
See this?
Let me take a picture of that sucker.
Gosh, he's cute.